If you can make a half square triangle, you're halfway there. Today, we're making the quarter square triangle. To make a quarter square triangle unit, I need to know what size I want my finished quarter square triangle to be. Let's go for 3 inches. So to do that, I need to add 1.25 inches to my size that I'm cutting. So that's going to make it 4.25 inches, or because I like a little wiggle room, we're going to do 4.5 inches. I'm going to line my ruler up to 4.5 inches and cut. Once I have my fabric cut, I'm going to lay my ruler over so I can mark a center line across the diagonal of my light square. Then I'm going to lay my fabrics right sides together. And I'm ready to sew 1/4 inch to either side of that marked line. I have a 1/4 inch foot that I use, but if you don't have one, you can go ahead and mark that 1/4 inch now. I'm going to line it up under my machine, right to that 1/4 inch foot, and I'm ready to sew. Once you have it sewn, you're ready to cut it apart and press. You can bring it over, open the unit up. I'm going to press to this leafy side. Bring it right down, wiggle it right up to that line, and then over, just real light touch there, and then I press the seam. And then I repeat it for the other one. Once you have both of the half square triangle units, we're going to mark again across the diagonal. So on the wrong side of one of my half square triangle units, I'm taking and I'm lining up so we're intersecting across where that line that we sewed was. And then I'm marking it. Now, I can take my 2 half square triangle units, right sides together, and line them up, and I'm ready to sew to either side. I've got it under my machine, right at that 1/4 inch line, and I'm sewing. I'm ready to cut them apart. I bring my ruler over, I cut down that marked line. Once I cut them apart, I'm ready to press my quarter square triangles open. To press it open, I like to pop this little seam right here, which you do by sliding your fingers into that seam allowance and twisting so that those stitches pop open. This allows you to, as you open it, get it very, very flat, and it creates like a little 4 square right there in the center. Little finger press to make sure everything's where I want it, and then just a very quick press of the iron so that then I can flip it over, do a really good press in the direction that my seams are going. And then I set the whole block. And you've made a quarter square triangle. If you'd like some help with trimming, check out our video on sizing a quarter square triangle. Thanks for watching. Check out the code in the description for great savings. Members always save 20% at shopaqs.com. Just another great reason to join our AQS family. And check out fun quilt videos like this at Quilt TV.